Hindi naman siguro kasi ang commission nga kasi, as I said, will go where the evidence takes us, regardless on sino man ang personalities involved. That's why siguro mas mabuti nga kung mayroon kayong mga impormasyon na alam about these anomalous projects, to let us know. In that way, hindi naman yan tungkol sa any narrative. No? Our narrative is the evidence to be presented to us. Kung anong dokumento, anong ebidensya, anong testimony na makukuha namin na totoo, doon kami putungo. Walang narrative doon. Yun ang narrative namin. Hanapin kung sino mga may sala, papagusahan sila, kunin yung mga ninako na pera, ibalik sa tao. Yun lang naman.
Comment lang po sa pahayag po ng Malacanang.
Last na.
Pahayag po ng Malacanang earlier na bukas po si Pangulong Marcos Jr. na palakasin po yung kapangyarihan ng ICI.
Well, any additional authority given to the ICI is welcome. But as I mentioned before, I don't know kung sa inyo rin nga yun before, but I heard before and I agree with him, former Justice Antonio Carpio said na ito na yung pinakamalakas na pwedeng maibigay ng isang presidente under an executive order. So, any additional powers or authority to be granted by law, then that will be a policy by the Congress or by Congress through their legislative powers. And if we have that law, then we will follow it.